How to fix game voice chat and mic not working in your COD. So there's two things you can check, which is the game settings itself or your PS5 settings. So on your PlayStation 5, start by checking your in-game settings. So just go ahead to your settings, of course, here. So once your launcher menu is open, go here. It's like a little chat box with headphones. Make sure this is all toggled correctly so that you have some sort of audio, and then go ahead here to the next option, and then just go ahead to your audio. In your audio, you could have to check these. So your master game volume, make sure your audio device is set properly. And as for your voice chat, you can go ahead and set it like this. These toggled on. Your game chat voice as an all lobby, I suppose. Make sure they're all set properly. And your open mic threshold, this is somewhat your sensitivity. You can maybe put it somewhere between the middle, but you can set it up. Make sure it's not too low or too high, since the other side may not be heard or be too loud, something like that. The other option you have is to open up your PS5 menu and go ahead to your sound. In your sound, you can make sure your output device is set to wherever you want it to be playing, of course. You can make sure this is toggled off, which is your mute game voice chat. And then the other setting, which is your microphone. Make sure you're also using the microphone that you have for your headphones or whichever microphone you're using. And make sure you're also not muted here. But those are the general things you can go ahead and check first if you're having problems with your audio, your voice chat, or your mic. Other than that, maybe you have a broken microphone. You can test that out in a different device or in a different way. But hopefully this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.